Ankaferd blood stopper medical products speed up tissue recovery by bringing bleeding under control in all kinds of bleeding injuries. Ankaferd blood stopper spray should be applied on the bleeding area in any kind of bodily injuries until the bleeding is brought under control. The application should be made by ensuring maximum contact between Ankaferd and the bleeding area. Ankaferd blood stopper tampon should be covered by applying pressure on the bleeding wound or cut in all kinds of injuries and traumatic cuts. If the bleeding still continues after applying the tampon, then additional Ankaferd can be applied on the relevant area. A black color appearing in the application area of Ankaferd is related to the ferrous content of the preparation, and it speeds up tissue recovery by gathering up the red blood cells at the bleeding area. Ankaferd blood stopper medical products save lives in bleeding injuries. The most common reason for loss of life in accidents and terrorist incidents is bleeding to death before medical aid arrives. Being a doctor is not necessary for the application of Ankaferd. Until an ambulance arrives, the victim or anyone around them can intervene with the bleeding area with Ankaferd for stopping the bleeding. Thus, both the bleeding stops and a quick recovery is ensured by preventing the wound from becoming infected. Ankaferd provides essential hemostasis in the bleeding body area applied via its effect on fibrinogen gamma, and thus does not cause vascular occlusion, thrombosis or embolism. Ankaferd's progress as a hemostatic product is carried out by Turkish scientists with universal scientific processes and is internationally recognized.